Welcome to this introduction video for the NodeJS Express API project. My name is Jacob, and in this project I'll show you how you can build your very own backend portfolio project. And this is going to be an API that serves books. It's going to be like a bookshelf where you can get some books, you can post books, you can update books. So it's essentially going to be a CRUD API. And the way that it is designed is that each video will be a new level where we'll add a different technology or concept. So we'll start out slowly and make it beginner friendly, and then with each level we will put on one extra level of technology, so we will continuously upskill you and make you learn more and more skills. That is the point of this whole series. It is that you learn some very good professional skills and become better and have a nice portfolio project to show. And of course, you might be thinking that a bookshelf API is not the most important or the most exciting thing in the world. But that's quite okay, because I just want to give this to you as a template. I want to show you the concepts and the technologies and how to use them. But then I want you to turn this project into your own. I want you to make your own API exactly the way that you want it. And don't make it about books. You can of course do it if you want, but you can make it about anything that you want, because that is the way you will learn the most. Take these concepts that I'm showing you and turn them into your own thing. And just let me show you what it is that we're building. In the end, you will have this UI that will be the documentation for your API. Because it's a backend project, of course, there won't be a lot of visual things to look at. And the most important thing is all the backend logic. But in the end, you will have this documentation that shows all the different endpoints that you have and all the different things that this API can do. And of course, we will be creating this project in a professional way with a good architecture, with exception handling, input validation, a real database connection. But all of this will be coming step by step, so you don't get overwhelmed. The whole point is that you learn a new thing in every level, and then you take your time to really learn that thing and to expand upon it and create your own project from that. So that is the whole purpose. It is that you practice each level before you continue to the next one. And of course, there is a GitHub repo, a public one, with all the code available for all the different levels, so you can always compare your own state, your own code, with the finished product or the finished code for that level. And the only prerequisites for this is that you know some JavaScript and TypeScript, and you're now at the state where you want to progress, you want to create your own portfolio projects. This is the perfect time for you, and this is the perfect project for you to get started building your portfolio. I hope you're looking forward to starting with this project, and then I'll just see you in the next video. Happy coding!